Over the upcoming holidays, a lot of cooking goes on in kitchens across America, so no one wants any distractions. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about making sure your kitchen sink is ready for the holidays right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. A slow draining kitchen sink will be a big problem when you're preparing a family feast, so fix it now. A clogged drain is often a sign that the sink's P-trap is probably clogged. The P-trap is that curved section of pipe beneath the sink, and it's designed to retain a small amount of water to block sewer gases from entering your home, because those gases can leave a smell that doesn't belong in any kitchen. Almost any over-the-counter drain cleaner will break up the clog, or try using a small plunger to apply air pressure to free up the clog. Once the clog is gone, help prevent future ones by pouring some warm vinegar down the drain occasionally to keep it clear and clean. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.